Alright, so I am so sick of dealing with this shit. Can you see the moon? It was full, but yeah, still pretty full. Anyways, is tonight the full moon? Or was last night? I'm not sure. Because I've been too busy following everything else I have going on, which is stressing me out. So I did my worksheet, blah blah. I will file that tomorrow. I have to have my pretrial statement done by Christmas Eve, and I don't even know if the courthouse is open Christmas Eve. The pretrial statements that my attorney friend, the solicitor, sent me really are not, they're zero help. I appreciate him sending them to me, but they're zero help, and everything I have already written myself is way better and looks way better in writing than what he sent me. But regardless, and he had me really stressed out about the pretrial statement, which it is a big deal, but maybe just because he wants me to think that I need his help. But I do need to be able to appeal, I guess, maybe, off of this statement. But basically, I'm just going to make the statements very broad. Broad statements of what I'm already dealing with. Parental alienation, stay-at-home mom for 12 years, no parental concerns from anyone at any time at all during this, except if I do a video on you, then you have a parental concern. Otherwise, you have no concerns with my videos. But at this point, obviously 3 years in, I'm doing my videos. And 2 years into my custody battle, which is undeserved as a stay-at-home mom, who I was an excellent mother. Regardless, here I am. So I will use, medical abuse, their terms oppression and abuse, because my kids are being oppressed and abused, as I am as well. Harassment, non-stop fucking harassment. And no, I am not alienating my kids against Gino. If anything, I talk positive about him to them. But here we are in this situation. They are being alienated against me. My kids don't even look the same, smile the same, nothing. People who know my kids know this. You don't even have to know them to be able to tell. So anyways, oppression and abuse. And I know someone who used this in their court case, and they have laws named after them today. And it was when her doctor, baby's daddy, stole the kid from one state to another, and her attorney got the kid back through Superior Court using oppression and abuse of the mother and the child. That's where I get that from. And I'm going to keep using it because it sums up, it's a summary of what is happening to my children and to myself. And then I'll read over what they need for my brief and how many copies every party needs, which when you file a motion, you serve all parties, which I have been this whole time. If I'm appealing to Superior Court, I will serve Superior Court a copy. I will serve Pathonetary Office in Westmoreland County a copy, the judge, the guardian, and Gino's attorney. And then a copy for myself. Well, now I guess they need 7 copies for everyone, and CD-ROM, and maybe this is my chance to get Bobby Wagner off my case, even though I know if I call her, she's going to give me more help than anyone has given me, because if I call any of the other peons in Superior Court, they're not going to help me. But if I talk to Bobby, she's going to give me some advice, even though she did lie to protect Westmoreland County, which I already did a video on that. But she'll at least tell me, like, no, Jen, you don't need 7 copies for everyone. Maybe I do. I will, but who's the joke on? I don't know. They think it's on me, but I'm doing the best I can.